In a near future, a global pact inaugurates Memory Swap Week, allowing volunteers to temporarily inhabit another person's memories to foster empathy. As memories flood classrooms, courts, and councils, boundaries blur between personal identity and collective understanding, reshaping how disputes are solved. Economies adapt as memories reveal unseen preferences, guiding consumer trends and urban planning with unprecedented nuance. Cultural heritage deepens as lost voices reappear, yet ethical storms rise over consent, ownership, and memory fatigue. The series invites viewers to weigh the benefits against risks and imagine governance that respects minds as shared commons.